Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. For time to time, I want to come back to the Iranian cuisine because there is so much more from Persian food what I like and I would like to show you. So today I will cook one of the favorite of mine called Khoresht Bademjan. This is eggplant stew with chicken. Originally they make it with lamb, but in our diet we eat very little of red meat. So let's see what we need. Half kilogram chicken, 2 onions, 4 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon turmeric and black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, 4 dried lambs, 2 eggplants and 3 tomatoes. As a first step, warm up 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pot. Then add the chopped onion and fry it until it's golden. Stir it frequently. After the onion is nice and golden, add the meat and fry it about 8 minutes until the color change. While you are waiting, don't forget to check out the description for links. After 8 minutes, we add salt, pepper, turmeric and cinnamon. Mix it properly and fry it for another 3 minutes to deepen the flavor. Add diced tomato and tomato paste. Fry it for 4 minutes until the tomato becomes soft. After 4 minutes, we cover it with water. Stir it and bring it to boil. Then put the lid, reduce the stove temperature to low, then cook the stew until the meat is tender, approximately for 50 minutes. Now, after 25 minutes, add the dried limes to the stew. Then, add some extra salt if it's needed. Before we continue, please don't forget to like. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to hit the button. Turn on notifications so you will be the first to informed when the next video is uploaded. Thank you very much. After washing and slicing the eggplants up, sprinkle both sides with salt. Set aside for 5 minutes and remove the extra water with a dry paper kitchen towel. Then we can start to fry them. Heat up the remaining olive oil in a pan. Then fry both sides of the eggplant for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn the slices around. In between, you might need to add some extra oil because the eggplants drink it in. I give you guys one tip. Slice the eggplants into thicker slices. It will be better because we will be still cooking it after frying. 5 minutes before serving, we add the fried eggplants to the stew. Stir it gently and cook them together. Now it is ready to serve. We usually eat it with rice. For Persian steamed rice recipe, you can check out other videos on my channel. Bon appetit! Nush jan! Thank you so much for watching and see you soon!